What's up? Whew. Doing the walking, exercising thing. Bushcrafty here. Not driving. Here, let me switch it around so you can see where I'm walking across. Pretty nifty. The water's up quite high right now, but still cool. Meet my granddaughter and daughter out here somewhere. Hopefully my back doesn't give out before I find them. I don't know if you can see that way over there. When the kids were real little, we used to camp right there alongside the lake, or the river here. Can't do that now. They don't allow it to this area. But we used to go out here and swim and have fun. I don't know if I would actually swim in this anymore. Being it's kind of connected to, well, it's not technically connected, but it can be. The East Palestine thing. But it's a nice area and everything. See if you can see that or not. I don't know how well this phone picks up anything. But it's a nice area. Let me go ahead and switch you around. There we go. It's a busy day out here for people walking and whatnot. Walking their puppy dogs and whatnot. You used to take the cats on walks. You got a little backpack that has a little bubble for them to look out. They seem to like that pretty well. Oh, look at there. I don't know if you got, but there's some mullein growing on top of there, along with some poison ivy. But I thought I would take you guys along, see what everybody's doing. Ooh, a cardinal. It's good to get out and get some exercise. Lose all this Christmas, Thanksgiving food that's stuck alongside my belly. Plus, it's good to get exercise just in case. You never know. Plus, it's, you know, it's healthy. You know, that healthy thing. Now, I think she might be coming from this direction over here. Hard to say. So it probably won't be too long. But I know there's things I should be doing back at the house. But I needed some fresh air and to get away from it. And nothing better than coming out here and walking amongst giant trees. Somewhat fresh air, because I don't think there isn't anything fresh air anymore unless you go up hundreds and hundreds of miles away from anything. And still at that, is it really fresh air? I mean, look at the size of this tree right here. Imagine the stories this tree has. How many hundreds of years this thing's been here. And more than likely it'll be here long after I'm gone. Very nice. But the son's car issue. Still waiting to get a call back from the sheriff or the deputy who's in charge of that put the stickers on the cars and whatnot. Still waiting. Figure I'll give him a call again tomorrow and see if I can actually talk to the person. Who knows? I know that he's probably really busy with a lot of this going around in town and whatnot, but the lady from the title office, he didn't even return her phone number, her phone call, so. Plus there's something going on in town. They got half the town blocked off for whatever reason, so I had to take the long way to get down here. Oh, I see her. But it's good to get out here and get some exercise and look at the birds and the little critters. Still hear the sirens and stuff. Can't get away from that. And you got construction going on. It is what it is. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. So I sure don't want to put my daughter on my YouTube page because I've got too many people with no lives, have nothing better to do. So my way of kind of protecting her, and we will catch you on the next one. Never give up, and God bless.